Too turned up.
Landed in Tokyo. Got all the train passes ready. Now we're gonna take a 2-hour train ride to Shinjuku, and we should be there already. But waiting for the girls to go potty. But the bathrooms here are nice, man. I ain't gonna lie. But I need to get my Japanese reading on because I don't know what I'm doing out here. Literally just hit me that I'm in Japan right now. This is crazy. Finally made it here. Got all settled down. Riley's hungry, so let's stop by 7-Eleven. It's right down the street. I'm so tired, bro. So tired. This bidet is wild. Does this automatically open? Does the toilet seat automatically open? I have no clue. Well, it's our hotel for the next couple days. As you can tell, she loves it. Got a dinette table, kitchen, a pooper. But I can tell we're so tired. We've been up for like 24 hours. I think it's time to go to bed. Because 8 o'clock at night over here, and it's 6 in the morning in Utah. Yeah, your sleep schedule should be pretty good, but we are beat. See you on the next one. Japan day one.
Day one.
Try this one, really. Shaken. Look. Ready?
Yes.
open it from here. Chicken from Family Mart. Oh.
Oh!
It's a big chicken nugget.
Big chicken nugget!
No, take a bite. Slowly. It's kind of hot.
Grapefruit. I saw the grapefruit.
Yummy!
Boss Coffee. I'll make these quick later.
Be careful, it's hot. Okay?
Oh. This is just dark coffee. This is from a freaking convenience store. Look, Riley, this is from a convenience store. What is that? Ooh.
I'll eat it.
It was smelly. Wow. What's this? Yummy.
Now I know why the hype of all the YouTubers get these.
Yeah.
A fork?
What this?
Mmm. Tuna mayo. I've always wanted to try this. Actually. Not bad. Alright, Riley, let's go to the park and then grab some coffee.
AOM Beats. AOM Beats. Nice job.
Riley, look! Riley. What's up, guys? Welcome back.
Going down. Door closing.
That's so crazy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Currently in Japan right now. I did our whole errand this morning, going to the park and everything. Right now, we got a luggage transfer, which is awesome. I didn't know, but I'm about to pick it up right now from the front desk. Looks like my luggage didn't get here yet, but we'll get it when they're here. But later, we're gonna be going to Shinjuku, exploring Godzilla Head, a lot of shopping, and let's see if our daughter can handle it, but she's been doing great so far, so. But, whoa, there's a car station right here. That is crazy. Oh gosh. Almost ate it. Walk-in ticket and get one. Table. Okay.
1番のプリンターの案内札をお取りになり、印出の番号の座席にお進みください。
you. Oh, wow.
That was a penguin.
失礼いたします。大変お待たせいたしました。色々どうぞ。
Thank you.
Oopsies. Hold on.
Riley.
Break this down. Oh yeah. Much better. You try. I think this is hot water fixing.
This is a dream. That was really good. We had like a sushi wheel conveyor belt. First time. Gotta rate it. That was like a solid 11 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie, that was really good. Must come for sure. Now we're gonna go to the Godzilla head and do some shopping. This is the Godzilla head. With the Godzilla head, really? You ready? Oh no! Wait, let's go inside. There you go. One. It's freaking awesome.
That looks so fun.
It's just so authentic in
That
here.
looks so fun. Toilet?
Look at all this.
Call it the toilet.
It's just authentic in here.
It's so cute.
It's like little shops.
Yeah, it's so cute. I love it.
Wow, look at this.
Okay.
Oh, is this it? Good luck. My feet are starting to hurt also. Then we got an hour and 20 minutes before dinner.